The builder comes in two formats, the free version and the pro version. Naturally, you get access to all the goodies within the pro version. And when using the free version, be aware of the limitations. Let's have a look at what's the difference between the two. I've switched over to a free version of the builder. Go over to add elements, and the first thing you'll notice here with the elements are these little red, maroon, pink dots. These are pro elements. They cannot be used in the free version, and if you want to use them, you will need to upgrade to pro. The second instance of the difference between free and pro is that of pre-made blocks and layouts. If we go to the block manager, when I load blocks, you will also notice that the pro label appears on a number of blocks, indicating that these are locked and can only be used in pro. The majority of the pre-made layouts are also pro. This is really one of the big incentives to consider if you are creating a lot of websites and you need starter templates, is to use the pro. Elements that can be linked, like the button, will feature URL, block, and pop-up. Again, the pop-up is pro version, and also included in the pro is a file download option. If we go over to the CMS menu, we are greeted by these options of pages, blog, stories, pop-up and alerts, and users. The blog gives you some functionality, but if you really want to step up your blogging feature, that's another difference between the free and pro. Stories also locked for pro, as well as pop-ups and alerts, and create custom assets.